Alright, welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to try to answer two of the popular questions I've gotten recently, and I'm also going to answer some other questions and show you guys something cool that I found in the comment section on one of my videos recently. So, alright, I'll put timestamps so you can go through to all that in the down in the description. Alright, and so let's get straight into this. Question number one I've got a lot is CGs. People are having a hard time displaying CGs and they don't understand how they work, sort of thing. It's pretty easy. There's a lot of tutorials out there for displaying CGs, your own CGs. But if you're talking about the in-game ones, I can help you. So go to your mod template master thing that you downloaded. Go into advanced scripts, and in advanced scripts you can see the CG RPY file. I've already opened this. Inside here you got all the images and it's like essentially the definitions RPY file, but for CGs. And so if you go into your original scripts, you wanted to display the Sayori hanging scene. That's script chapter 5. And then so you can just open that up. And then inside here, if you scroll down to the very bottom, and then scroll up, you see this like long string of like script. In here, it has the exact like code that goes through when you see her dying. So you can copy. That's what I've done for the Sayori, or not Sayori, but the Natsuki. Oh my gosh, sorry about this. That was my fault. I misclicked. Anyways, Yuri's stab scene. That's what I was trying to say. Sorry, I know this is bad, but anyways, that's that. Pretty self-explanatory. And so that's pretty much it for the CGs. You should really just copy it over. It saves you a lot of time. Unless you want to make your own CG, in which case you're gonna have to like get a tutorial because I have no idea. So the second question I have had is how to start with the labels. So the labels will be busted and it won't say start. So I'm going to show you guys how to organize your labels and stuff like that. So if you go into the Ren'Py launcher, click on your mod, then click navigate script, and inside here you'll probably land in your files. Just click labels and it'll show you every label. So if it doesn't start, it's because the script in the script RPY usually has start, but that's because your start's busted up. So you can just fix that. If your start isn't in here, then that's why it says the start's missing. You have to have it spelled exactly right, like just like this. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So I'll click the little file. You'll have to wait a little bit because I just closed my RPYs from a blooper. Anyways, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It'll call. So if you're wondering why it why you have things like Act 2, it's because in this label start, you go down, it says if persistent playthrough, this is a command. So like at the end of that script that you just read, so like that would be Sayori hanging yourself, it would give you this bit right here. And so you'd get that would become true, and so, or +1. And so persistent playthrough is now 1. So instead of calling this, it will call this, the tutorial selection. So I know I ran into that problem a lot. If you get rid of tutorial selection, it will actually bug out the game and just restart the home screen page. which I got stuck on for a long time until I figured out what I was doing. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the scripts and navigating them. It's really easy. It's actually very useful because you can see where like these are and all that, and make sure you have your start, everything lined up properly. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'll try to get on to the cool thing that I found. So I will put the links in the bottom of the description. One of our subscribers put it on, showed it to me. I'll just plop it up right there so you can see what it is. All right. Anyways, he put that in one of the comments, and oops, sorry. Anyways, yeah, it led to this page, and this is an amazing thing. I don't know who did this, but this is pretty good. They saved me a lot of time from having to do this, because that was one of the things I was trying to do. But yeah, they figured out how all this stuff works. I literally just learned what all this stuff here, the character posing and positioning. But anyways, sorry about that. Anyways, yeah, that's that. So this is really cool, and also there's this thing over here. I'll put both of the links in the description for this. But yeah, this thing right here is amazing. They got audio, the glitching, expressions, backgrounds. They even have backgrounds? I didn't even notice they had backgrounds. But yeah, so it'll show you how to type all these. I think I just helped somebody today with the residential day. And this one is day 2. That's where you get the little thing there. But yeah, this all pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, you'll probably want to check out all that. So yeah, links in the description for that one. And so that's actually pretty much it. Everything else is just basically has to do with like stuff that I'm doing, like with the mod and all that. So I'll just try to make that fast here at the end. Simply, I don't have a lot of time to work on the mod, so it's not really coming along very fast, but I'm still getting it done. I just made a deadline as Valentine's Day to pump out like a trailer or something, and I am not nearly that close. So anyways, that's pretty much with that. And the reason I haven't put out a lot of videos recently is because I've been busy. Same thing with helping people. I don't even know what I'm doing, so I have to learn everything after I read the comment, and then you know, I try to explain it. So it takes a little bit longer than it should. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll end the video here. Hopefully that answered 2 very popular questions that I got, and so bye.